Hey, what's up? This is Kay Hayes for After Effects tutorial channel, and now today I want to show you how to faster your After Effects application or program. So let's start. Go to After Effects, create a new project, and then go to Edit. Then go to Preferences, go to Memory and Performance. Then check your installed RAM is 32 gigs and you receive is 29, and RAM available for After Effects Premiere is 3 GB. Change this one 29 and 3 GB is for another applications. After this, go to Display. If your graphic card have a GPU like RTX, GTX, GTS, then go to Display, turn on Hardware Accelerate, and then press OK. So now go to Task Manager and check your memory. There is 6.7. Double click in your project, import any video. There I have a sample video. Double click and drop it here. And now play render. Check your RAM. And there is your GPU. And there is the memory RAM GPU, percentage 20 GB received. Okay. And now you can empty your memory RAM by going to Edit, Purge. All memory. There is a message. Press OK and go back to Task Manager and check your memory. 6.8. And your CPU is 2 in normal. If your project to make low your computer and then go back to full, change it to third or quarter. If you're working on 3D applications, then go back to Edit, Preferences, Previews. Change the adaptive resolution limit to 1.8. And there is your GPU information. You can change the texture memory for faster working in After Effects. Or your GPU is too professional, then change it back to 1.2. And zoom quality, color management quality, select the second option and select the third option and press OK and select the full quality. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.